Hi, parents. Just wanted to come on today to tell you guys we want to thank you for all that you have been doing with your children. We know that this has been a new thing for you, it has been hard for you, and we want to tell you that you have done a great job stepping into the role of a homeschool teacher in 2020. We thank you for all that you're doing and all that you are going to do for them. And from your children to you, we give you. You are. Yes. You have done a great job working with your kids. And from the teachers and staff to you, we thank you for an awesome job. Thank you again and continue to grow.